Hello everyone, today we will be talking about green credits or RECs. So what are RECs? First of all, let's know about how every countries in the world are talking about climate change and the greenhouse gases. But what are these countries doing to overcome these problems? They are adopting RECs. Today, our guest Vidhi Srivastav is going to talk about RECs and how it came into existence and how different countries are going to implement in order to tackle climate change.
So thank you, Reena. So starting with the introduction about green credits or RECs, which are the renewable energy certificates. These are financial instruments that represents a proof that 1 megawatt of renewable energy, such as solar, wind, or power, was used in the operations of a company. And these certificates are generally, given out and are created by third-party organizations. They can be bought and sold in all the markets. So the green credits are used to support renewable energy, and the companies can buy it and have like an additional source of revenue for them. And they also demonstrate the commitment to sustainability towards the renewable energy usage from and by various companies. So the creation and the usage of these green credits vary from country to country, and there are various rules and regulations depending on the country, about the RECs. The concept of REC basically originated in the 1990s in response to the need for transparent and standardized way to track the usage of renewable energy in the world. So that's the introduction about it.
Okay, that was a wonderful introduction. Now, can you tell us about how REC came into existence?
Sure. So RECs were basically developed as a market-based solution to the problem of tracking the renewable energy usage in the industry. And the basic concept was to have a certificate that represents the environmental attribute of renewable energy, such as carbon-free for a carbon-free nature, and allow these certificates to be brought and sold in the market for various companies to have like an additional revenue, for the companies. So it was first launched in 1997 by the United States and by the Center of Research Solutions. The program was called Green E, and it was designed to provide a way for consumers to purchase renewable energy based material and based sources, and to actually know that these companies are creating products that have utilized green energy. And this also has an overall impact on the environment. And while many other countries have developed the RECs concept after the 1997, after the United States started it.